What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix network errors when using a VPN on Windows. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. A VPN is a service that encrypts your internet traffic and changes your IP address, allowing you to access geo-restricted content, protect your online privacy, and secure your connection from hackers and snoopers. However, sometimes you may encounter network errors when using VPN services on your PC, which prevent you from connecting to the VPN server or accessing the internet. First, search for Control Panel in your Start menu and hit Enter. On the Control Panel window, select Network and Internet, and then go to Network and Sharing Center. Under View your active networks, click on your internet connection name, and in the Internet Status pop-up window, navigate to Properties. On the Internet Properties pop-up window, proceed to uncheck the Internet Protocol version 6, and then click on OK. Now, make sure to restart your PC. After successful restart, open up your Windows settings. On this window, switch to the Network and Internet tab, and then navigate to the Advanced Network Settings section. Under More Settings, click on Network Reset. Here, click on Reset Now. Your PC will restart again, and any VPN-related network error that you were experiencing should be fixed. If you're looking for a new VPN service, then I suggest using Privado VPN. By using the affiliate link in the description, you get a 90% discount and access to the VPN for 3 months for free. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.